Dear Starvik, here in Mandarin Bay, Mandarin Marina, Alegra. It is January 28th. Doing a quick after clean video. I left a little spot just around this corner to show you. I don't want to scrub it too hard and take too much paint off or anything, but it's a lot better than what you're about to see. So pretty much the whole boat was covered in that. As you can see, I already did this area going all the way down. Scrape it off this main slide. Get it wiped out. I didn't see any major issues besides being really dirty. Let's go take a look on the other side. Got her cleaned up and looking good, dear Starvik. Thank you very much.